In this video, I'm going to be giving you guys 4 business ideas you can start as a young person. So if you're a young person and you want to start a business, then you need to watch this video from beginning to the end. And I know nowadays everybody wants to be his or her own boss. And these business ideas that I'm about to be giving in this video is something that is going to last forever. You're never going to run out of business. AI is never going to take over your work. That means you are going to be in existence forever. So all what you need to do is that you need to watch this video from beginning to the end to get these business ideas and pick one of it that you think you're comfortable doing it and go ahead to start it, and you're going to make a lot of money out of it. And the potential of these business ideas is very high to extent that you can't run out of business. So these business models are working perfectly well. So the first business idea that I'm about to be giving you guys is being an electrician. Be an electrician. Everybody nowadays use electricity for either one thing or the other, or even our automobiles, or let's say our cars use electricity. And what happens if we have a fault in our homes, like we are using electricity and it got fault? Who is going to fix it for us? Electrician. That means you can't go without in need of electrician. So when you become an electrician, then you're going to be making a lot of money from it, and you're going to be getting a lot of jobs to do. If you know how to do the work, you're going to be getting a lot of jobs to do. So the second business that I'm about to be talking about, if you are a young person and you want to venture into business, is being a mechanics. Be a mechanics. Like everybody use, almost 70% of the population use either cars, motorbikes, and other automobiles. And what happened if it got spoiled? Who is going to fix it? Mechanics. And are they going to fix it for free? No, you are going to pay for the services. And the paying for it is very huge, big amount that you are going to pay, especially when you're using a car and a car got spoiled and a mechanic is going to fix it. You are going to pay big amount for it, and the profit margin is very high when you are a mechanic and you're working. You are having the expertise and you're working, because if you charge any amount, people are going to be willing to pay for it, because they know that your service is something that is guaranteed that is going to make their automobile or their car or their motorbike to function very well without any problem. So the third business that I'm about to be telling you guys to venture into it if you're a young person is being a carpenter. Carpenter, everybody sleep in a house. Everybody sleep in a house, and they are going to be in need of carpenter to fix their things for them. The roofing process, carpenter is going to do for them. And making of chairs, who is going to do it? Carpenter is going to make the chairs that we sit on it. Carpenter is going to make it. And are they going to make it for free? No, they are not going to make it for free. So you can see the potential that is in it. When you are a carpenter, you're going to make a lot of money. When you are a carpenter and you know the work and you are doing it perfectly well, and if people they know that, oh, you are having the expertise to do that work, then they are going to be willing 100% to give their work out to you, and you do it for them, and you're going to make a lot of money from it. So being a carpenter, the potential is very high. So the next business that you should venture into it if you are a young person is being a mason. So I know everything, starting before a carpenter can roof a house, the house need to be built. And who is going to be building the house? That's a mason. And you can't do without a machine. So you can see the potential. Everybody want to live in a house or in a room. If you see a villa standing, it's it's a machine that build it. If you see a hotel standing, who build it? It's a mason. So when you are a young person and you want to start a business, make sure you learn how to build houses, learn to be a mason, and you are going to make a lot of money out of it. The profit margin is very high. Imagine building a hotel. How much are you going to get in return? And you don't need big capital to start this. You can tell the person to give you the money, you build it, and charge the person to pay for it. And when you are having the knowledge and you're working on it, people don't mind giving you guys even extra amount. People don't mind giving you guys extra amount for you making the work look perfect or making it look nice to them. So you see that they are going to like be willing to give their work out so that you can do it and make a lot of money out of it. So the next business that I'm about to be talking is plumbing business. So you can see every like house is having like every let's say villa or every modern house is having a water pipes flowing in and out of the house. And who is going to make it? Is that not a plumber? Who is going to make it? So being a plumber, you're going to make a lot of money. If you know your work, you're going to make a lot of money out of it. So venturing into this business, you're going to make a lot of money as a plumber. So these business models are proven to be working. Make sure you try one out, and if one is not working for you, venture into another one, and at the end one is going to be working perfectly for you. And I know this modern world, without a job, without like you having your own handwork, you can't survive. So make sure you make use of this one of these business ideas, and you are going to harvest a lot from it. So guys, thank you for watching, and if you want to see more business ideas like this, make sure you like this video and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Very important, subscribe to the channel and turn on post notification bell. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace out. Bye bye for now.